Lothorian, I freaking love it. That's a great name. Lothorian. There you go, Lothorian. Boom, airdrop. Swish. So, Titan, let me tell you something amazing. I don't know if you know this, but you just protected yourself from getting hacked, okay? Because a lot of hackers, what they do is they scrape ETH addresses from these posts. They scrape ETH, you know, these airdrop posts. When you drop your ETH address in one of these posts, bots, they come and scrape that, and then they airdrop you NFTs that will basically drain your wallet. If they'll basically drop you an NFT, place an offer on that NFT for like $1,000 to tempt you to accept. When you accept that offer, it will drain your wallet. So by you not actually dropping your ETH address into a chat to have to do that, exactly. So now you don't have to worry about dropping your ETH address in a chat and being exposed to scams. I'm able to airdrop you as many NFTs anytime. And now you can go into your, if you go to your wallet, you go to NFT airdrops, you'll see it right in here, brother. So now you can see it says user is already added. So that means you have an NFT airdrop waiting for you. If you go to your wallet, you go to NFT airdrops, you'll be able to claim that. And in order to get the next airdrop, you do need to claim the one that you have already. This is a preventative for farming, for bots, etc. So it makes sure more prizes get to the people who are here participating, claiming their prizes. And the coin airdrops, however, you don't need to claim that every week. You can claim that like once a month or whenever you want. Those will stack up on each other. I agree, Expand is amazing. I'm so excited for everything that they're building, and folks, I am so grateful to have the opportunity to work with them. I'm not going to take credit because for everything. I'm not going to take credit for everything, but I will say these Web3 features would not, everything that we built for these airdrops, for these token drops, for the opting in, all that stuff, that is made possible because of the DAO. That is made possible because of you all. If it wasn't for that, Expand would not have that. It is because of you that we have these things. You supported me. You believed in this vision. You believed in this dream. I was able to get that grant approved. And because of you, we're able to do this. What if I told you I'm working on a plan to put those $120,000 back into the DAO? Would you say I'm crazy? Would you say I believe that you can do this? UMAC, would you believe if I told you that not only are we going to build this feature, not only are we going to do this, are we going to through this grant through DCL, but I'm pretty confident that we're going to be able to bring $120,000 back into the DAO? Would that be mind-blowing? Would that be setting a trend? Would that be making a statement about how things should be done? I think that that's what I'm trying to do here, folks. I think it's possible. I have a plan. I'm not going to spoil it just yet, but I believe that we can get $120,000 back into this DAO. Let's go. And I'm gonna do it in a way that we're all gonna freaking be like, oh shit. It's gonna go down, folks. Because imagine if we could create something. What if we could use funds from the DAO that could literally create enough value that we could bring that value back into the DAO so someone else could use $120,000? Or that we could even just apply for another $120,000 from the DAO, or you know what I'm saying? Like, imagine that, folks. If the same $120,000 could be used by every next creator. If I did something that created value where the $120,000 could then go to the next person. That is called infinite money. That is like one creator being able to use energy to grow and then bring that energy back to the next creator that they could grow. And then they do the same thing. Literally, that's the way the DAO should function, in my opinion. Exactly. Regenerative, sustainable mindset. Let's frickin' go. Do not sleep on the DCL report. Do not sleep on this community. Everybody, do not sleep on the community on Earth, because we are frickin' making things happen all over the world. We just came back from Argentina. Folks, we're going to keep this going. I'm pumped, you can tell. This got me amped. I'm ready to jump into building. So I will see y'all soon. I got to get back into the lab and start mixing my potions and just going to, get back to work, folks. You already know. I'll catch you on Thursday. At 11 a.m., I'll be streaming the 4th and final session for this cycle of Accelerate on Earth. And at 7 p.m. on Thursday, I'll be streaming my report. So I will see y'all then. Much love. Later.